Making everyone happy is our #1 priority, so when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.